Happy Friday, everybody. It's hashtag FAQ Friday live from my office in Windermere. And this week's frequently asked question has come because it's 6 months left in the year. And it's a perfect time to refocus, re-energize, and take consistent action towards your goals. So I thought I'd share some top tips to achieve your goals broken down into bite-sized, manageable chunks across 6 key phases, 1 per month, to help and support you to achieve all your goals for the next 6 months. So the first one, month 1, is clarity and commitment. Set your North Star, set your goals and objectives now for the next 6 months. Review your current goals, what is still relevant and what needs updating, what needs to change, and be really clear what your goal is. Set 1 to 3 clear goals you can realistically achieve in the next 6 months. So using SMART goals, which is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant or realistic, and time bound. And we do that with AJ Lakes anyway, with every client we work with. Have bite-sized actions, so block out time weekly to focus on your goals. Break each of those goals into weekly milestones, and then set your non-negotiables, your habits or actions that you are going to commit to, you will commit to doing consistently. Month 2, then create a solid action plan. And this action plan is so important. So map the journey, turn each goal into a step-by-step action plan with who's responsible, who's going to achieve it by what date, and assign timelines to each task. Identify any resources, any support or training you might need to actually achieve them and accomplish them. The bite-sized actions on this one is use a planner or a digital tool such as Trello, Notion, Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, etc. And then schedule 1 to 2 key actions per week to keep you on track, and review your plan every Sunday if your Monday is the start day to prepare for the next week ahead. If it's a different day, change the day. And then month 3, momentum and mindset. This is so important halfway through the challenge. Build consistency. Focus on small daily habits that align with your goals. And really think about your identity here now. If your goals to achieve certain elements where you want to achieve in the next 6 months. So for example, if you wanted to increase your revenue by say 100k, say 6 figures, so 100k, then actually act like you've already got 100k, but don't spend it, obviously. And then track the progress weekly and celebrate every single small win, so you get into the habit that this is really good to enjoy. Start to strengthen a morning routine that fuels your productivity, which will massively help because the morning starts the day on the best way. Bite-sized actions for this is write a short gratitude or intention list each morning and actually be grateful for everything that you're doing. Use a habit tracker to stay motivated. My AJ Lakes journal, the Smashing Your Goals Journal to Success and Freedom, really works well on this. And listen to one inspiring podcast or read 10 pages of a book each week if you can, that actually helps you towards your goals and objectives. Month 4, review, refine and realign. So really look at this, review where you are, refine your goals and realign them. Pause and reflect, conduct a midpoint review. What is working, what's not, and what do I need to do? Who do I need to ask for help for? How can we achieve it? Adjust your approach, not your goal. Keep that goal really clear. And you might have blocks in the road to stop you, but see ways in which you can actually overcome them. Address any barriers or limiting beliefs and get people to help. So the bite-sized actions here are journal your progress and challenges weekly. Got a great journal that will help you do that. just get in contact. Ask for feedback or accountability from a mentor or coach or mentor, and then make one small change to your routine that removes friction that will actually sabotage you. So remove it from your energy so it can help and support you. And month 5, push through. This is time to really power up, push through and power up. Accelerate your efforts because you're nearly there. Recommit with a 30-day sprint. Go all in on your most important goal. Delegate or pause less urgent commitments if you can, and then create visual reminders everywhere of your why. Why are you doing it? What's the difference it's going to make? Because that'll give you the passion and purpose to keep going. Bite-sized actions here are use a countdown or reward system to gamify your progress so you have fun doing it. Tackle your biggest tasks at the peak of your energy time each day. So this is really important. If you've got high energy at the beginning of the day, tackle your biggest task. Schedule a weekly power hour for focus work with no distractions. Sometimes you get that where you're focusing with your rest of your team to actually work on this. And then month 6 is completion and celebration. So finish strong here. Finalize loose ends, tick off major milestones, and reflect on your growth and progress. Write it down so you can reflect on this that got you through some challenging times. Plan a small reward or a big award or a celebration for completion, because this is massive. Bite-sized actions here are list every small win and lessons learned along the way. Write a year-end letter to yourself to reflect on what you've actually achieved, what you've learned, and what difference it's made in your life, so it can help you progress for the future. Create a vision board or a list for the next 6 to 12 months on how you will feel at the end of it when you've achieved it. And some bonus tips for the whole 6 months as a summary. Accountability partner is a must to keep you on track. Check in weekly with someone you trust, whether it's a coach, a mentor, or a friend, somebody who can keep you going and doesn't agree with you when you want to stop. Stay flexible. Life does happen. Adjust. Do not abandon. Keep going. Keep starting again. Energy versus time. Focus on what energizes you to avoid burnout. And then don't forget to use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of tasks that deliver 80% of the results, the ones that are the needle changers. So if that has resonated with you, I hope it has, please, download. We've got a 7-day business reset challenge that you can download. It's a checklist and hints, top hints and tips to be able to help and support you. So please go and check it out, download it, and let me know how you're getting on. And obviously, if you've got any questions, alison@ajlakes.com, email me or message me on any of the social media channels and I'll get back to you. And also, I'd be really grateful because we've got a mission to help 1 million busy business owners, managers and teams to live their best lives by being emotionally, physically, mentally and financially free from their businesses. So please get in touch and subscribe on the link below and click the notifications bell so that you hear more when our FAQ Fridays go live and any top tips that we share along the way. So please let me know if you need any help and support. As always, it's alison@ajlakes.com. May I wish you a happy Friday, everybody, and a happy weekend. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.